Welcome back to this channel, News Headlines in English, to speak in the School Morning Assembly of 12th February. And first of all, national news. Whole body order transfer of Bengal officials posted in same area for 3 years. India's quiet pulses revolution to serve 100% home ground dal. Credit kahin kam nahi. Nirmala Sitharaman said no state short change in budget. Reading too much into Sonam Wangchuk's speeches, top quote questions. Mumbai debuts India's first melody road, Jai Ho, now part of commute. And now some international news. 24 hours before Bangladesh votes, US lawmakers not free or fair warning. US removes post on India trade deal with map including POK, Aksai Chin. Only Trump, no one else, claimed India won't buy our oil, Russian minister. BNP wants best of both worlds, Hasina's return and good ties with India. 24 hours before Bangladesh votes, US lawmakers not free or fair warning. And now some sports news. India lost 1-3 to Belgium in FIH Men's Pro League 2025-26. Namibia captain slam T20 World Cup organizers ahead of India clash. Abhishek Sharma hospitalized, doubtful for T20 World Cup clash against Namibia, a report said. Business related news. Nirmala Sitharaman dismissed allegations that the center diluted tax devolution. Facing labor crunch due to Ukraine war, Russia turned to Indian workers. Silver up by 2.7%. Gold sees marginal increase on MCX amid wedding season. And that's all in news. Thank you.